There are several sections in this assessment. In some sections, you will work through a problem-solving task with multiple pages to view and activities to complete. In some sections, you will answer a set of short, standalone questions. Let's start by looking at an example of a problem-solving task.
Hi, welcome to the team. I'm your team leader, Tricia. You'll be helping the team redesign the toaster so that using, manufacturing, and throwing away the toaster will have less impact on the environment. Let's start by understanding a toaster's life cycle. Your first job is to create a diagram that will help us understand the stages in the life of a toaster.
Instructions for what to do will be found on each screen, so read everything carefully. Look at the screen for information you might need to help you answer questions. Make sure you enter a complete answer for every question. A button to submit your response will become available only after you have finished answering the question completely. When you see this yellow arrow, it's your turn. Click the Submit button. Good! A progress bar will give you an idea of how far you have come in the activity.
Now, let's work on redesigning the toaster so that we can reduce the environmental impact of obtaining raw materials and making toaster parts.
In other sections of this assessment, you will see a number of questions for you to answer. One question for each tab along the top. Tools you can use can be found over here, and a timer here. Questions will be of many types. This is a simple multiple choice question. Note that when you answer a question, the tab for that question will darken. This does not indicate that your response is correct or incorrect, just that you have provided an answer. For some questions, you can select one or more choices. For some questions, select a response in each row. Now, you answered the last row to complete this question. You can use the Next and Back buttons to move through questions in order. Or you can click these tabs to move through questions in any order you choose. There may be questions where you have to click on things, for example, on a simulated web page. Look for instructions on what exactly to do. Click this link and see what happens. Since questions like these are only simulations, when you click, your selection will simply be marked to indicate it is your answer. Finally, some questions may have more than one part. You might need to scroll to see the entire question. Answer all parts to complete questions like this. If you see a word or phrase in green with a dotted underline, click on it to read a definition. There are tools available from this toolbar that you can use if you wish. If a tool does not apply to a specific question, the button will not be shown. Click the Listen button to hear the computer read everything aloud.
Mountaineers must wear special clothing when they climb the world's highest mountain.
To stop the computer from reading aloud, click the button again.
At high altitudes, select one of the four choices.
To choose the words you want to hear, click and drag your mouse over the words to select them. Then click the Listen button.
World's highest mountains.
To enlarge what you see on the screen, click and drag the zoom slider right or left. To highlight words on the screen, first click the highlighter button. Then select the words that you want to highlight. To remove the highlighting, select the same words again. To stop highlighting, click the highlighter button. To use the Eliminate Choice tool, first click this button. Now you click the Eliminate Choice button. When you click a choice, it fades away. If you wish to bring the choice back, click it again. Click the button to return to normal mode. Scroll to see all of a question. Look for a box on questions that require a typed response. The time you have left to complete the questions in this section is shown in the lower left-hand corner. There is one tab for each question in the section. Click on light-colored tabs to go to unanswered questions. Try to answer all the questions before time is up. If you need to review directions or learn more about the available tools, click the Help button.